Hey there, outdoor people! Today you join me on an adventure. Today we're setting up the trail cameras. Now this is a place that had been lost. It's been many years since I've been here. A wildfire had burned through many of the familiar landmarks, and so I haven't been able to find it again. However, the other day I just happened upon an old GPS unit, one of the street GPS if you can believe it, and just happened to have this spot marked. So I have the latitude and longitude coordinates, and let's see if we can find it. So I have hiked down into this little ravine area. This isn't what I was looking for, but maybe it should connect. And here we are. I remember camping trips in this location. What is that? It seems like this place was significant to somebody else as well. I don't remember this being here, but it isn't the first memorial I've come across in the National Forest. What makes this location great for wildlife is there's a trickling waterfall down below. It's fairly small, but it seems to be pretty consistent throughout the year. The water spills down into a stream. The ravine gets steeper on either side, making a natural trail for the wildlife. You can see the rock formations and how the water has left its mark over the years. And there is the waterfall. Okay, so trail cameras are all set. We'll leave them up over the winter. If it snows, it's possible that the roads may close, in which case the cameras will be completely isolated all season. Okay, here are some things I found on the hike back. This is a small pile of bones. Now, I'm not an expert on deer anatomy, but I looked up some pictures of deer skeletons, and I believe the flat bones are shoulder blades. And here we have some vertebrae, specifically from the neck area. And not too far away, I found part of what I believe to be the leg bone, specifically coming off the shoulder of the deer. But I could be way off base. Let me know in the comments what you think. Another cool find were some of these fossils. These appear to be seashells. I guess at some point this place was underwater. It's not the first time I've found similar fossils in the area, but these are still pretty cool find. And the last find on our adventure was this rock. If you look, it's encrusted in tiny crystals, probably quartz. This isn't the greatest place in Arizona to be rock hounding, but it's still a neat find. Thanks for joining me on this adventure today. I'll leave you with a preview of what we found on the trail cameras. Press that like button if you want to see more videos like this, and hit that subscribe button for more wildlife videos. And I will see you next time.